top focus for the day is the resignation that's been tendered by the Vice President, Jagdeep Dhankar. But right now, we're bringing you more breaking news that we're picking up at this very point, at the top of this segment. The opposition seems to be split over Dhankar's surprise exit. Now, the Sena UBT MP fact-checks the opposition. Priyanka Chaturvedi has mocked Congress's pro-Dhankar argument. UBT MP has come out to say and, in fact, given a reminder that Dhankar was partisan. She said, and I quote, remember your no trust motion on the Vice President itself. So there's been a lot of political reactions that's been coming in from both sides in terms of the resignation that's been tendered. Remember, it does definitely come in as a big surprise at this point. Piyush Mishra joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Piyush, a very good morning to you. This is what we see at the point, the opposition split over this very resignation, and it is Priyanka Chaturvedi who's come out to point out that there was a point when the Congress had moved a no confidence motion against Vice President. So why the change of heart now?
Well, certainly we are now seeing as to how two different voices coming in from the opposition itself. At one side, the Congress party is crying foul, and it is also saying that there's a lot more in the resignation of Jagdeep Dhankar. On the other side, Priyanka Chaturvedi is also, putting out different sort of statements. So this is certainly showing as to how there are two different views being taken by the opposition leaders. But the Congress party is saying that yesterday there was a meeting which was called in of Business Advisory Committee of Rajya Sabha at 4:30 p.m. But Kiren Rijiju and JP Nadda did not turn up, following which the meeting had to be rescheduled for 1 p.m. Today. So there's a lot which needs to be looked into. So the Congress party is pointing towards some sort of conspiracy angle. It is also believing that there's a lot more to the resignation of Jagdeep Dhankar. We'll have to wait and watch how the leaders of BJP or other political parties are going to react on this, but we are already seeing as to how the political war of words have begun on this entire matter.
Absolutely. Political war of words have already begun over this issue. In fact, as we speak, Piyush, stay with us. Let me just take our viewers through some of these opposition reaction itself. The opposition has, remember, expressed immense surprise over this resignation that's been tendered. Let's quickly take a look at some of them as to what's been said.
I am not going to speculate, reasons as to why he has resigned. He has said that it is because of health reasons. So I don't want to speculate. But yes, I can say this, that he perhaps was one of the most proactive chairmen of the Rajya Sabha that we have seen over the years. And he would always persuade members on this side and that side to work with each other. For ultimately we work for the country, and he always advised us to do so.
उपराष्ट्रपति जी ने जिस तरीके से सरकार के एक तरीके से खिलाफ जा कर के उन्होंने जो एक चेयर पे रहते हुए निर्णय देने की कोशिश की कि जब जस्टिस यादव का इम्पीचमेंट मोशन भी पेंडिंग है और जस्टिस वर्मा का भी, तो मैं दोनों के इम्पीचमेंट मोशन को मैं ये नहीं कर सकता कि जो पहले आया है उसको छोड़ दूं और दूसरा को पहले ले लूं। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये साफ दर्शा रहा है कि सरकार से उनकी जो है वो ठन गई।
देखिए, जो बहरहाल मीडिया में जो आ रहा है कि स्वास्थ्य कारणों से इस्तीफा दिया, तो ईश्वर उनको दीर्घायु करे, ठीक स्वस्थ करे। बात समझ में नहीं आया। मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि सारा दिन आप ठीक बैठे हुए काम कर रहे हैं, आप पूरा दिन हाउस में हो और आपने जाके आके मेरी तबीयत खराब है और मैं इस्तीफा दे रहा हूँ, तो ये समझ से बाहर है।
बिहार के चुनाव का एक एंगल है। दूसरी बात, जिस प्रकार प्रधानमंत्री जी और गृह मंत्री जी का जो रोल होता है, जो भूमिका होती है, उसी प्रकार की चीज़ें होती है। बहुत सारे अप्रत्याशित चीज़ें होती हैं, लेकिन पटकथा पहले लिखी जा चुकी है। तो इसलिए हम इस एंगल से भी हम ये इनकार नहीं कर सकते हैं। बहरहाल फिर भी हम ये कहना चाहेंगे, जो उन्होंने स्वास्थ्य का हवाला दिया है, पहली प्राथमिकता तो वो होनी चाहिए, वो स्वस्थ रहें और दीर्घायु हो, ये हमारी मंगल कामना है।
భారత ఉపరాష్ట్రపతి ధన్ఖడ్ గారు అకస్మాత్తుగా రాజీనామా చేయటం వెనక బీజేపీ పార్టీ బీజేపీ ప్రభుత్వం బలవంతంగా రాజీనామా చేసినట్టుగా కనపడుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఈ రోజు వరకు ఎటువంటి ఆరోగ్య పరిస్థితులు లేకుండానే మన రాజ్యసభని నడపటం జరిగినట్టు అందరికీ తెలుసు. వారి శారీరక ఆరోగ్యం కంటే వారి రాజకీయ ఆరోగ్యం బాగలేకపోవటం వల్లనే వారిని రిజైన్ చేసినట్టుగా భావిస్తున్నాం. బీహార్ ఎలక్షన్ కంటే ముందు ధన్ఖడ్ గారిని రిజైన్ చేయించి వారి స్థానంలో కొత్త వ్యక్తిని తీసుకొని వచ్చి దాని ద్వారా బీహార్ ఎలక్షన్కి లాభం పొందాలని కోరుకుంటున్నట్టుగా మేము భావిస్తున్నాం. దీని మీద భవిష్యత్తులో ఇంకా అన్ని వివరాలు బయటకు వస్తాయి.
जगदीप धनखड़ जी ये इस्तीफा 4 दिन पहले दे सकते थे, सेशन के बाद दे सकते थे, बहुत पहले दे सकते थे. अब ये क्या है हमें नहीं पता. हम तो सिर्फ यही चाहेंगे कि आदरणीय धनखड़ साहब खूब स्वस्थ रहें, दीर्घायु रहें. लेकिन अब बताइए, इसके जो नए चुनाव होंगे, जो नए उपराष्ट्रपति होंगे, उनमें समय जाएगा. ये सेशन अभी पूरा चलना है, कौन चेयरपर्सन बनेगा. तो ये सब एक विषय तो अब हो गया ना, एक प्रश्न चिन्ह तो खड़ा हो गया ना. पूरा विपक्ष मांग कर रहा है कि ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर एक चर्चा हो, एक संवाद हो, बहस हो. अब उसके बीच में अचानक इनका इस्तीफा आ गया.